Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video is a part of the challenge that is hosted by my lovely friend Michelle from Michelle's Cozy Home, and the challenge is called Boo Bash. When I saw Michelle posted it, it was so intriguing that I'm like, I will be participating because the theme was amazing. She had two lovely co-hosts, which is the Eileen from The Heart and Alicia from Alicia Lean. So in this challenge, we were given a choice to pick either we want to create a DIY or something food related in a Halloween theme. So I involved my son because he was really looking forward to it, and I can't wait to show you what I have made. But if you would like to check out all those lovely ladies to host in this challenge, everything will be linked in the description below about their channels. But for now, let's go to the DIY, and I would like to show you what I have made. Okay guys, for this project I'll be using a Dollar Tree pumpkin, a candle holder, everything's from Dollar Tree, sets of skulls, and a bouquet of sunflowers. So for that I'm gonna paint this orange by using my Beverly chalk paint in the color pumpkin. The pumpkin will be color painted in black. It is an ink chalk paint, and I think that's all I'm gonna paint. And then for the flowers, I have seen that inspiration on the Pinterest. Somebody put the skulls inside the flowers, so I kind of wanted to recreate it because I thought it was super cute decorations for Halloween. So really easy, and to glue it together, again, Sherbanda mini cordless fine point glue gun. Everything is in the description below about this beauty. I love it. Check it out if you want it. So let's work on it. Okay, so the pumpkin is dry along with the holder. So what I did, I used some rocks from the Dollar Tree and put it in the bottom, and then I stuffed that styrofoam floral from the Dollar Tree where I will be sticking my flowers in. So right now I will use my wire cutters, and I cut the lengths that I needed, and then I'm gonna glue the skulls to the sunflowers, and then I'm gonna arrange this first, then I'll put it back on my top how I want it. And along with all this, I will show you how I do it. Okay guys, so for this project we need half a pumpkin. This is from the Dollar Tree. I cut it and I'll show you how. And what I'll do, I will go over and paint with Beverly plaster paint just to make sure there's no orange peeking through. So that, and then I printed out this cute little kitty. I have seen my friend Elizabeth from Dandy Soap DIY. I will link her channel in the description below. She did a silhouette cat in the pumpkin and I loved it, so I decided to recreate it, but a little different. So I'm gonna cut the kitty out and then I'm gonna use the foam board. It is from Dollar Tree. I just got a little piece left. So, and I'm gonna do the shape of the kitty on this board and then of course paint all the sides with my acrylic black paint so we don't have that. And then I will leave a little dot, like a little bit in here, so I can stick it and it will stay. And for my candle, I will be using behind the kitty is one of this, I'm thinking to put it like this so it will stay that way, so kind of like that. But we will see, we'll work with it when we get to that step. Okay, this is how the kitty looks like, and I don't know if you can see, there's a candle behind it. So at the top, I kind of want to decorate it with this leaf, which I'm gonna stick it in there and use my hot glue gun to place it in there. And then also, I will use a little spider on the top. Okay, so I turn off the lights so you guys could see how it is in the dark. It's really nifty. So my son really likes it. And here it is, spooky kitty. Okay guys, so I got my handy helper today.
Here you go.
So we're gonna be making some cupcakes. And for that we'll be using first the vanilla ones and the chocolate one, and we got all kinds of cool decorations for it.
Woo!
That we got. Let's see, how about this ones? And we got all kinds of frosting, which is black, purple, green, and orange. And we got some sprinkles, Halloween sprinkles.
Black's my favorite color.
And we got some cupcakes, folders, I guess, cups,
like wrappers.
Baking cups. So that's what we need. And for each one of those, we will need 3 eggs, which is gonna be right here.
We're gonna be putting them in the oven.
So we need 3 eggs, 1.5 cup of oil, and 1 cup of water. So, and that's what we'll need to do. And of course, as our direction says on the box, we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then we will be baking it for around 20 minutes.
That's really hot.
Let's start with baking.
Yay! Woo! This fast.
Okay. Okay, so our dough is ready. Now our oven is preheated. So we're putting it for 19 minutes.
Yep. Alright, so it's done.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Michelle and the girls, for hosting this wonderful challenge. Don't forget, guys, if you like my video and would like to see more DIY in this theme, there's a playlist going in the description below. Everything linked there, and you just click and continue watching. But for now, that is all for me. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my family. And also, I would like to say thank you for my continuing supporters. I really appreciate your love and all your thoughts and all your comments that you're giving me. That helps me mentally. I really enjoy reading the comments and interact with you guys. But for now, that is all for today. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video real soon. Bye for now.